everyone, in this video we're going to review how to test the VHF equipment. According to STCW chapter B8/2 part 3.3, when at sea, the radio operator shall ensure the correct function of: Number 1. DC radio equipment by the test call, not less than once a week. Number 2. DC radio equipment by testing at least once a day, with no signals transmitted. The result of these checks shall be resigned in the GMDSS logbook. If we look up to the requirements of the GMDSS logbook entries, we can find the same regulations about equipment's test here. The first way of possible testing is the internal test. The main feature of this test is, it is executed with no signals transmitted to the others. That means the equipment carries out the self-diagnose by launching the self-test program. This shall be done every day. In order to do it, we have to enter to the settings of the radio station. We press More button several times and choose the Setup button. After pressing the arrows button, we then press DC Setup. Then, by turning the menu knob, we choose the DC Self-Test row. By default, it is turned off, so we have to change it to the Run option. The result of the test is displayed on the screen. The next step is to make a logbook entry about the conducted test. The column Station 2, Station From, and Channel shall not be filled. Only the column Remarks would mention the conducted internal test. In order to close the window with the results of the test, we have to press the OK button. The second way of the possible testing is the external test, which is carried out once a week. Such tests is conducted by transmitting signals. That means to check the transmit-receive process, the correct function of the receiver and transmitter, the ability to receive and transmit signals. Depending on which sea area are you in, such tests may be conducted in three ways. Number 1. If we navigate within A1 sea area, then we shall call the coast station within the VHF range. Number 2. If you are outside the A1 area, then the test can be sent to the other vessel. But you should bear in mind that this vessel needs to be more than 30 nautical miles away from you. If there are no vessels around you and you are outside the A1 area, then we can send the test call to our own duplicating VHF radio station. As our vessel is now in the A1 area nearby the Odessa station, we will send it our test call. In order to initiate the call, we press the call button. In the Type menu, we have to choose the Safety Test option. The row becomes white, so it is activated. To confirm, press the menu knob. The next step is to choose who we send our test to. If the coast station is already in my address book, then I can choose it from here. At this moment there is none, so the only option is the group call. That means the call to the whole group of vessels. To all of 8 computers that are in the classroom, they are suitable for us. So, we will dial the coast station manually. To confirm, press OK button. To send this call, press Send. We see that our call is sent with a safety priority. We wait for a couple of seconds and see that the call was sent, that we are waiting for the acknowledge and who the call was sent to. Usually, the VHF range coast stations acknowledge such calls immediately. On the display, we see a notification that the call was received. The test was acknowledged by the coast station Odessa. The call priority was safety and it was received 17 seconds ago. We press the silent button. If we want to review the details of our call, we press the view button, and all the information appears on the screen. In order to return back, press view button. To discharge all the information, press the quit button. You are on the home screen. The GMDSS logbook entry will look like this.